Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I will show you step-by-step guide on how to create a professional Facebook account, perfect for your business, your brand, or if it's a personal project. So because I noticed that some of you don't reach your targeted audience on Facebook, so I will show you a professional way to create your Facebook page so that people can see your page and patronize what you are doing. So firstly, to create a Facebook page, you have to go to your left hand side. You can see here friends, professional dashboard, feeds, group, marketplace, video, memory saved. Then this click more, you will click on it. Then you scroll down, you can see here pages. You just click on the pages. Then you can see here create Facebook, create new profile or page. You click on it. Then it can be either for personal profile or public. So most of you always make this mistake of going for personal profile, though it's depending on you. But if you want to reach your targeted audience to make sales, you go for public page. Then next, get started. So now the Facebook page I want to create now is a kind of Facebook store, or is a kind of clothing store or clothing brand. So the name of my clothing brand, I'll put it as Solomon's Clothing, or Solomon's Style. So my category, depending on what you are doing, if you are doing for a personal for your business, depending on your business, there are varieties of category you can use, but mine, I want to do a clothing store, so I will just go for clothing. You can see it's a clothing brand, clothing shop, clothing company, clothing distributor, women's clothing, and much more. So me, I'm going for clothing shop. I'll just take my category. Then a short bio. Your bio must be like a call to action that can attract people, that can make people buy what you're saying. So if they just come to your profile first, they see that your bio and they want to look at what you have. So I'll just paste it here. So you can see it. Discover stylish, affordable fashion, like our page and shop for the latest trends today. So have you seen it? It carries a call to action to make people to take action to buy my clothes or what I'm selling or what I have. So I'll just click here, create page. So if you have a website for your store, you can add it here, but me, I don't have any website. If you have a website for your store, you can add it here. Then you add your phone number. You can add your phone number. You can add your phone number. You can add your email address. So I can add my email address. Like if you have an already existing address for the clothing store, so that people can email you if they want to purchase goods. I will just be using shop with us, shop at Solomon's Fashion. or Solomon Style. Let me put style.com. So you can put your address anywhere your address can be. So your town or your city, your postcode if you have any. Then you can put the hours that you're always available. See, when you're creating a Facebook page for this kind of thing, maybe a clothes brand or any kind of thing, always show your hours that you are available. Don't show no hours available, but the best one for you to use, you are show always open. Click on always open so that people will know that you're always available. Always open is the best one if you want to be reached out, because if I come to your this thing and see no hours available, I will not like to buy because you're not always available. So always open is the right one to click. Then next, then you can add your profile picture. You can add a logo for your this thing. I have mine already. Then you can add your cover picture. Then don't forget, you set it well. Don't always forget, you must add your call to action. Very, very necessary. Very, very necessary. Your call to action. So my call to action, it can be book now, it can be order now, it can be call now, it can be contact us. So I don't have a website, so I will not go for contact us. I can go for send email, but I prefer this WhatsApp, or you can go for call now, but I prefer send a WhatsApp message. That one is okay for that kind of stuff. Then next, you put your number, send code or so, something like that. So you just send code. So your this thing is always necessary. It's always necessary. Let me put call now. Call now. You can also put buy now if you have an online store. Call now is what I want. Next, you put your number. You save. That's all. Then you, after your action button, I just want this thing to be normal. Click on next. Then you can add your WhatsApp number, then they can send a code to you, but I'll be skipping that for now. Then you can invite friends also, but I'll be skipping that for now. So you can see now that my page is ready. Now my page is ready. You can see how my page interface looks like. So you can see it with the intro and everything, the logo and everything. So what most of you don't know is that whenever you create a Facebook page, the first thing you do after creating that, don't leave that page like that. Don't leave that page like that. It is very bad. So the first, when you just create a Facebook page, the thing you do is to post, to notify Facebook and make it to be seen, is to post. So I can just post something like new arrival Then I can add my location if it's necessary. I can add location if it's necessary. Then add your pictures and you post. So that is just it. So you can just like and comment. So that is it. When you create a Facebook page, always post immediately after creating that Facebook page. Don't wait 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. No, always post immediately. So you can see how it looks like here. Then if you want to go and do more settings, you can go to about for more settings, add service area, add website link, add a social link, price range. Very important, price range is always very important. So I can just put moderate. It's okay, save it. Then language, United States, English, United States. Then I think you can add specialism and service. You can add delivery, online booking, reservation. That's all. In-store shopping, there are many more to add. Contactless delivery is still there. So all these things are concerned with clothing brand. You can deliver contactlessly, online booking, reservation, in-store shopping. So you can just save. That one is very necessary. And that is, I think, is all. You can add your social link. If you have an Instagram account, you have TikTok account and the rest, you can add it here so that people will know that it's authentic and they can reach out to those places. Then this your service area. You can read it here. If you travel to provide goods or services to your customers, select up to 10 neighborhoods, towns or regions to define your area. So you can add them here. So if you want more settings, see here, life events, details about you, family and relationship, page transparency, place, leave, work and education, privacy and legal info, to make it more authentic, to make the Facebook page more authentic. So that is just it for the Facebook page. So I hope you've learned today how to create a professional Facebook page. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.